Good Monday morning, Hollinger's Island students. Welcome back for another awesome day here at Hollinger's Island Elementary. Today is Monday, February the 13th, and we are continuing to celebrate International Friendship Month. Make sure that you're being a good friend each and every day. Please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. Attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The mission at Hollinger's Island Elementary School is to unlock our full potential through hard work, dedication, and teamwork. Please pause for a moment of silence. You may be seated. This month in February, we are working on being a good friend, and that is our character pillar that we are working on for Star Student. So make sure you're being a good friend each and every day, and your teacher may choose you as the Star Student for the month of February. I hope that you have a marvelous Monday. Do your best today. Go Dolphins!